Okay, student. Good morning. My name is Gurpreet Singh. Welcome back to English online classes. Yesterday we have learned the difference between simple past and present perfect tense, and also I gave you one worksheet regarding that. And today I am going to describe about an article writing. In this video, I'll tell you what is an article. I'll tell you about the marks. I'll tell you about the format, and as well as I'll tell you some useful tips to write an effective article. Okay, what is an article? Article is a piece of writing in a newspaper or magazine. You can find an article in a newspaper or a magazine, and also you will find the article for 10 marks. 1 marks for your title and heading, and 4 marks for your content, and 2.5 marks for your grammar, and 2.5 marks for your writing style. In content, you have to make 4 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you have to write about introduction of the topic, and the second one, you have to write about merits and demerits, and as well as causes and effects of given topic. And in third paragraph, what government media people should do to improve the issue of given topic. In the fourth paragraph, you have to write about conclusion of a whole article. Okay, here I have the format. For example, this is your page, and in the center of the page you have to write about heading. In heading, the first letter of every word is capital. For example, the heading is hard work, and in this you have to write in hard H capital, and in work W capital. Understand? And after that, you will write about the writer, and you have to make 4 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you will write introduction about the topic, and in the second one, you have to write merits and demerits of the topic, and also causes, effects of topic. And in third paragraph, you have to write what government media people should do to improve the issue of given topic. And in the fourth one, you have to write about conclusion of whole article. So here I'll share with you some useful tips to write an effective article. How to write an effective article, how to get full marks. So here I'll share some useful tips, and the first tip is heading. I already shared. In your heading, your first letter of every word is capital, and your heading is eye-catching, mean effective. And tips number 2, you have to write about your writer. And in tips number 3, in introductory paragraph, you have to create interest, and like you will put some quotes about given topic that is beneficial to you, and that you will get full mark if you write some quotes about given topic. And tips number 4, you have to develop the content. In content, you will write about some facts, you will write examples, you will write logical arguments. Do not extend your topic. You have to put some logical arguments. That is good for you. Okay. In tips number 5, you have to write about what government media people should do to improve the issues of given topic. Then here you will demand about issues. In tips number 6, you have to write about your conclusion. In this, you will write about your opinion, you will write about your suggestion, how many suggestion you will be given to like a government and a media to improve about given topic. And you will write also some solution. So here there are 6 tips to write an effective article. So what we don't do, do not extend your article. You have to write your article in 100 and 150 words, and there you will write logical arguments, logical facts and examples. Do not extend your article if you want to get full marks. Understand? So here I shared with you the definition of an article, about marks, and also heading or also format, and also I shared some useful tips to write an effective article. And after that I'll give you one exercise or one worksheet regarding that. If you have any doubts, you can concern with me. Thank you so much.